to remove false COVID-19 vaccines claims on its platforms. Facebook will be removing false claims about COVID-19 that have been debunked by public health experts from Facebook and Instagram. It said it would remove claims like COVID-19 vaccines contain microchips or anything else that is not on the official vaccine ingredient list. Facebook added that it will regularly update the claims it removed based on guidance from public health authorities. iPhone 12 users reportedly facing battery drainage issues. Over thousands of users on Apple's community forum are reporting issues with the battery life of their iPhone 12 devices. I'm noticing that the iPhone 12 Pro is draining when idle with almost no background activity at a rate of 4%, a user initially claimed. Others reported 20 to 40% battery loss despite turning off background app activity as per 9 to 5 Mac. 15 years old Indian American inventor Gitanjali Time's first ever kid of the year. Indian American inventor Gitanjali Rao has been named Time magazine's first ever kid of the year after being selected from over 5,000 nominees. Actress Angelina Jolie interviewed Rao where she talked about how she used technology against issues ranging from contaminated water to opioid addiction and cyberbullying. Her AI-based service kindly can detect cyberbullying at an early stage. Google is allowing socially distanced outdoor meetings on campus. Google has started allowing employees to hold socially distanced outdoor meetings on its campuses, known as on-site offsites. It's an important attempt to bring abroad new hires and collaborate on important projects offline, a company spokesperson told CNBC. Earlier, CEO Sundar Pichai in an interview with Time said that Google's future wouldn't be 100% remote, but it would involve hybrid models of work. Japan's oldest zoo unveils first elephant born there in 138 years. Japan's oldest zoo, Uno Zoological Gardens, has unveiled the first baby elephant to be born there since its founding 138 years ago. The zoo is holding an online poll to choose a name for the baby for shortlisted candidates. The male calf was born to a pair of elephants gifted to Japan by Thailand in 2002. The State Bank of India's mobile banking app Uno suffers system outage. The SBI's mobile banking app Uno suffered a system outage on Thursday, following which the bank has issued an official statement on Twitter. Steps are being taken for the restoration of uninterrupted service, it said, asking users to switch to online SBI or Uno Lite for their needs. Earlier today, RBI temporarily halted HDFC from issuing new credit cards, citing repeated system outages. Woman gets married through window after testing COVID-19 positive. A pic goes viral. A US couple got married with the bride sitting on the window of the house and the groom standing on the ground after she tested positive for COVID-19. They got married as their marriage license was set to expire on the wedding day. They exchanged vows holding ends of a ribbon as a way of holding each other's hands. Scientists reverse biological clock to restore vision in old mice. Researchers at Harvard Medical School restored vision in old mice by reprogramming cells to a younger age in which they are better able to repair damaged tissues. By resetting the cell's aging clock, vision loss in mice with a condition mimicking human glaucoma was also reversed. We hope to treat glaucoma in human patients in 2 years, a researcher said. Scam 1992 changed my life completely, said Pradeep Gandhi. During a recent interview, actor Pradeep Gandhi stated that the crime drama web series Scam 1992, the Harshad Mehta story, has changed his life. Speaking about choosing his upcoming projects, Pradeep said, "There are interesting projects coming my way. The biggest challenge, however, is that earlier I had to select from 1 or 2 projects. Now it is between 8 to 10 projects." Cobbler makes size 75 winter boots to keep people apart amid COVID-19. A Romanian cobbler has come up with long-nosed winter boots to keep people apart during COVID-19. Each pair of the size 75 boots cost $150. Romania, which has reported 492,211 COVID-19 cases since late February and 11,876 deaths, has made wearing a mask mandatory in all public spaces and imposed a curfew to cope with the second wave. If you search for Askew in Google, the window and search results will tilt slightly to the right. There are only 2 countries with names that begin with the Gambia and the Bahamas. A licknobite is someone who sleeps all day and works at night. Being alone weakens your body. Having friends strengthens your body. Coca-Cola never partnered their secret formula because otherwise they would be required to disclose it to the public.